little Wilson with the trigger point, but you can do it also with your grid roller. You just find the most sore spot on your glute, on your buttocks, and then now, instead of the knee, you move the hip up and then down, okay? And you get all those hip rotator muscles that attaches to your low back. Loosen up, break down the scar tissue, break the nodules up, and then you roll. And you can do it with Wilson, right, roommate? But it's really hard. It's almost too specific, borderline painful, so it's hard for you to breathe. So you can do it with the grid roller. Again, 4, maybe 6 times. But breathing is the key. If you do it tensing up, you're really not releasing anything. You actually get in between those blood cells, and it actually is ready to get stretched. Okay? So I hope this helps you guys. And we're going to start doing it more and more frequently, self-rolling when we come to the sessions. Okay? And as a matter of